Struggling to figure out Etsy fees? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to calculate them fast using EHunt's free Etsy fee calculator. Let's quickly break down the different types of fees you'll face on Etsy. Here are the main ones you need to watch. Listing fee, 20 cents per item you list. Transaction fee, 6.5% of the item price plus shipping. Payment processing fee varies by country. Offsite ads fee, 12% or 15%, depending on your annual sales. Regulatory operating fee, a percentage applied to the item price and shipping cost and will vary based on seller location, plus other charges like subscription, currency conversion, and regulatory fees. With so many fees, it's easy to lose track. That's where the EHunt Etsy fee calculator comes in, making all these numbers simple. EHunt's Etsy fee calculator has two modes: Standard for a quick estimate, and Professional for a full breakdown. Let's start with the standard mode so you can see how quick and simple it is. In standard mode, just enter your selling price, your costs, and the offsite ads fee percentage. The results update instantly: revenue, total costs, Etsy fees, profit, and margin. Quick and easy. But what if you want more detail? That's when the professional mode really shines. Professional mode lets you dig deeper, choose your country and currency, add your product price, shipping, and discounts, break down your costs into labor. The calculator then shows you everything: listing fees, transaction fees, payment processing, ads, regulatory fees, and finally your profit and margin. You get the full picture in seconds. Now you know both the quick and detailed ways to calculate fees, so how can you use this to sell smarter? The EHunt Etsy fee calculator is powerful, whether you just need a fast estimate or a full breakdown. Here are some smart ways to minimize those Etsy charges and boost your profits. Bundle listings or sell in quantities. You only pay the $0.2 listing fee once per listing, even if you sell multiple units. That alone can save you a bundle when selling sets or multiples. Cancel auto renewals. Avoid automatic $0.2 renewals every 4 months if your item isn't selling. Just renew manually when needed. Use your bank's currency. Stick to the same currency you're paid in to avoid the 2.5% conversion fee. Compare shipping costs. Sometimes buying shipping outside Etsy, like via a carrier, costs less than Etsy's label fee. Knowing your fees and how to reduce them is how you stay profitable on Etsy. This is all for today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with fellow sellers. See you in the next video.